400 trillion to 1. The odds of becoming a human being. You choose what you're looking for, because what you look for, you find. That's how fucking life works. You know, being successful takes several different variables. I think self-awareness is number one. If you don't know yourself and you don't know what you're good at, you've got no shot, because you're gonna be spinning your wheels. I think work ethic is at the top. Nobody watching this right now knows anybody that's successful at all that hasn't put in serious amounts of work. Very quickly, I can tell you, you need to get every voice out of your head besides yourself, and you need to love yourself. You will win. Can't live your life based on other people's point of view. I am tired of people not starting and living their life on one very simple thing, which is they're worried about what other people think. Learn the work ethic and the skills that match your ambition. You get to live life one time, and this is the time right now to understand what's actually happening and actually map your behavior to something that will impact you for the next 80 years. Pay the fuck attention to who's giving you the advice. Who's giving the advice? And more importantly, if you live your life where you're comfortable taking somebody else's point of view on how you should fucking live your life, you deserve to lose. Figure out what you fucking puts you on fire and you're halfway decent at, and become tunnel fucking vision. I only want one thing for people that I have. Really, outside of health, the only thing I wish for people is them to love what they do as much as I do. It's not that you can't, it's that you're not willing to give up dumb shit for a better life. It's very, very simple. Put yourself in a position to succeed. Figure out who you really are, and figure out if what you're talking is being mapped by what you're doing. Because the second you put those things together, shit fucking unlocks. Whose fucking permission are you looking for? Go do your thing. You're gonna die. If nobody's gonna give a fuck when you die, why the fuck are you worrying about their opinions while you're alive? I just can't explain to everybody like clearer. When you figure out who you are and do all that, you win. Regardless of what you're trying to accomplish, you've got to tell the world about it. This is now the world. If you're not betting on this, you're finished. If you're not betting on this, you're finished. If you're not betting on this, you're finished.